from Kickstart.net. Today I want to make this review of this Gucci bag. You can see this is so gorgeous Gucci padlock. Okay, firstly you can check this bag. The size is a little big. I think the size is large size, and I think this size is very super, so you can put many items on this inside this bag. Okay, and second, you can check the size. It's very useful. You can check. Actually, it comes with so big, very big. You can put many items like a book, a pad, or anything you want in this bag. It's very useful. Okay, and next I want to show you this very gorgeous the chain stripe. You can check the comes with so gorgeous chain stripe. And also the important detail is this padlock. You can check very beautiful padlock. And you can check the logo, the Gucci logo right here. And from this side, you got this very beautiful Gucci pattern. The back side, there is nothing right here. No Gucci logo and no any other details on this side. And on the bottom, you can check the shape. Is very gorgeous. Okay, next I want to show this leather of this brown leather. You can check this stitching on the brown leather is really perfect. Check this side. And also can check this golden detail. You can check this quality and you can check the workmanship. It's really nice. Let me show this. Very beautiful. So because I can't open the bag, so I can't show this bag inside. So let me show the closer look on this button in outside. You can check this pattern on the button. Gucci pattern is really gorgeous. Now let me show this brown stripe right here. You can check the quality in the stitching. Every detail is gorgeous and perfect. Do you like this Gucci padlock? In this size, do you like? If you like it, you can go to my website or directly contact me. I will put my website link in my contact information below this video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give this video a thumb up. Thank you so much. I will see you next one. Bye.